Hello everyone, I'm Joshua with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to fix that dull laminate floor. Now for this job, you'll need a couple things. For this job, we will be using some laminate floor cleaner and shiner, and a rag. It's important with laminate floors to maintain them. One of the best ways to keep that shine on your laminate floor is about once or twice a month, depending on the amount of traffic that goes through your laminate floor, is to use the cleaner and shiner on there rather than just some warm water or something like that. This actually protects the coating on top a little bit. So what you do is you go ahead and spray it over the area. Make sure you don't let it sit there too long, because what will happen is it'll actually work its way into the seams and the cracks of your laminate floor and cause them to warp. So what we do is we just let it sit there for about 15-20 seconds and then go ahead, just wipe it off. You can also go ahead and use a damp mop or something like that. Just make sure you aren't putting too much water on there. If you do this a couple times a month, it'll definitely prolong the life of your floor and give you a nice shine. Thank you all for watching. Good luck with this project.